Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitfinity network token. Ticker symbol is BTF. Now this token got at least one very big central exchange listing starting today, November 19th. We're going to go over the BTF token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a full white paper for this project, lots of socials. They have, I said they got at least one big central exchange listing. It looks like they got all the big central exchange listings today, almost all of them. If you look on their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, which is at BitfinityNet, it says today they got listed on Kucoin, they got listed on HTX, they got listed on Gates, Bitrue, and Mexc Global, and maybe even more. But yeah, so there's a bunch of different ways to get this token here. So I do have in the referral codes down there, I do have a link to Bitrue and Mexc Global. So if you don't have a Bitrue or Mexc Global account, you can use any one of those links down there in the description box. So let's say Mexc Global. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, all you would have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BTF, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now it is available now on Mexc and on Bitrue and all those other exchanges that I mentioned earlier as well. Now it says here that this token here, it says BitGems mining is now live. Try it here to mine points. So that's the first thing that pops up when you open their webpage, bitfinity.network, so you can get involved with the BitGems mining. They also have something called a Bitfusion, and you can check out the Bitfusion technology, the Bitfusion white paper, domains, and domains documentation. They also have a community section where you can check out a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, blog articles, and GitHub. They have a getting started guide. They have a developer section where you can check out the full documentation, the testnet for their block explorer, their testnet faucet, technical white paper, their Discord group, and their monitoring service. And then they have the whole ecosystem where you can check out the dApps, the Tokenomics, the testnet faucet, KYC, and mainnet faucet, mainnet block explorer, governance, and partner program. So tons of stuff on here. Welcome to Bitfinity, a next generation BTC layer 2 solution. So Bitfinity is a blazingly fast 1,000 transaction per second plus next generation EVM, serving as a layer 2 for Bitcoin and other Bitcoin on-chain assets. With Bitfinity, you'll be able to deploy smart contracts for Bitcoin, Ordinals, BRC20, all written in Solidity. Bitfinity is built on the internet computer, and there is technical white papers that go into more depth. Now, layer 2 solutions are ubiquitous in the Ethereum world and primarily rely on zero-knowledge cryptography or optimistic rollups to create secure bridges between the base layer 1 chain and the layer 2. Bitfinity instead uses a threshold cryptographic scheme called chain key to create a secure decentralized bridge between Bitfinity and the Bitcoin blockchain. Chain key is unique in that no single node ever has access to the threshold key. The threshold key shares are regenerated on a periodic basis of every 11 minutes through moon math. So to get started, they show you how to get started on there. Now they leverage a threshold signature scheme to custody Bitcoin. There's detailed information about that. They're running Bitcoin nodes on chain, and there's a section that talks about the implementation of that. And besides that, if we want to look at the tokenomics, it says here Bitfinity Network. They are bringing new DeFi opportunities to Bitcoin and ICP, the Internet Computer. The Bitfinity DAO approved the creation of the official project governance token with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. The token serves as the native token of the Bitfinity EVM. Our tokenomics are designed to combine rewards with a deflationary burn, ensuring scarcity, aligning incentives, and protecting holders, all while driving sustainable growth and cross-chain adoption. So, 63% of the tokens will be allocated to the community, locked and vested of up to 4 years. 15.4% of the tokens will be allocated to investors, locked and vested up to 18 months. 14.6% of the tokens will be allocated to the team, locked and vested up to 24 months. And lastly, 7% of the tokens go to the foundation, which is locked and vested up to 3 years. There's also investor allocation. And so it says the community allocation is designed to drive sustainable growth and active participation in the Bitfinity ecosystem. And this allocation combines deflationary mechanisms and staking rewards to ensure value accrues to token holders while being strategically divided across multiple initiatives to foster long-term ecosystem development and community engagement. So there is proposed burns and proposed staking rewards, liquidity incentives, airdrops and incentives, and ecosystem development. Now, if you want to follow their socials, they do have a Telegram at Bitfinity_official that has 2,223 members. 282 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to discuss this project with other community members. And as usual, I am going to put their Twitter up here. You're going to find all sorts of updates about the new token listings today. 242,000 Twitter followers, full link tree right there. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 1,447 tweets, very active on there. They do Twitter spaces as well. But go check it out. You can find a Bitrue and Mexc global referral code down there. That's where this token got listed today. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.